I remember the first time I stepped into that dojo, the scent of sweat and determination hanging heavy in the air. The mats beneath my feet felt foreign, yet strangely inviting. I was nervous, unsure of what to expect, but deep down, I knew I was ready for a change. As I watched the seasoned students move with grace and precision, I felt a spark ignite within me. I wanted to move like that, to feel the power and control in every muscle of my body. So, I made a decision that would alter the course of my life. I would learn martial arts. The journey was not easy. It demanded discipline, dedication, and a willingness to push past my limits. I stumbled and fell countless times, my body aching with each new technique I attempted to master. But I refused to give up. I knew that with each fall, I was one step closer to standing tall and strong. Through the endless hours of training, I discovered a newfound sense of flexibility and strength within myself. My body, once stiff and unyielding, began to bend and twist in ways I never thought possible. The movements became fluid, almost instinctual, as if my body had finally found its true purpose. But it wasn't just physical strength that I gained. Martial arts taught me the power of mental fortitude, of pushing through the pain and doubt to emerge stronger on the other side. It taught me to focus my mind, to block out distractions, and hone in on the task at hand. And as I sparred with my fellow students, feeling the impact of each strike and block reverberate through my body, I realized the true essence of martial arts. It wasn't just about fighting, it was about respect, discipline, and self-improvement. It was about pushing yourself to be the best version of yourself, both on and off the mat. Through the bruises and sweat, I found a sense of peace and clarity that I had never experienced before. The chaos of the outside world faded away as I focused on the present moment, on the rhythm of my breath and the strength of my movements. And now, as I stand here, a black belt wrapped around my waist, I know that my journey is far from over. There is always more to learn, more challenges to overcome, more ways to grow and evolve. But I am ready. I am strong. I am a martial artist, and nothing can stand in my way.